Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the window.open and the another one, that is document picture in picture, that is PiP. Okay, so let's take a look what exactly they are. So here we have the window.open, the traditional way to open a new browser window or a tab. So it can be used to load a URL or a blank page to write a content into it, like suppose in the PayPal you can say, or there is a like new window will be open where you do the authentication or something. That is the part of the window.open. Limitations often blocked by the pop-up blockers, because sometimes it is blocked. If you check in the URL, it says that it is blocked. You have to allow it for this window.open unless triggered by the direct user action. No guarantee to stay on the top of the other windows. Styling is limited. You need to manually inject HTML and the CSS. Not ideal for the floating and the interactive UI. Okay, and good for opening external links, legacy apps, basic contact in the separate window. This is the for the window.open. PiP. So a modern API creates a small floating browser window that stays always on the top. You can inject fully styled HTML and the JavaScript into it. Benefits not blocked by the pop-up blockers. Fully customizable UI. You control the DOM. Always floats above all browser windows. Great for the widgets, mini dashboards, medias, overlays, etc. Requirements only work in the Chromium based browser, so Firefox is not supported. Needs experimental web platform features flagged enable. Okay, good for live stats panels, chat overlays, picture in picture interfaces, floating mini UI dashboards. So there is a difference. Pop-up blocker risk high in the window.open. For the PIP, none. Always on the top, no. Yes. Styling limited, full. UX quality outdated, modern and the sleek. Browser support all major browsers, but here only the Chromium browser with the flag. Okay, let's take a look. I have the code already. Let me just open it. Okay, so here you can see that we have a window.open pop-up. Okay, so if I just run this, is there option to run it from here? I don't think so. We have. Okay, so let's run it from here. Localhost slash php slash test dot html. Win- So here you can see that the this might get blocked by the pop-up blockers. Okay, so this is window.open. Okay, so if I click on it, it's in the new window already. So here you can see that, right? If go with the another one module, okay, that is pip. Let's paste that code. So here we have that one. Just go with this commenting, okay, and try to add this, but see in the Firefox it will not work. What I have done right now, it's currently one. If I go with this one, document pip is not supported in the browser. Okay, so here you can see that. If I go with the Chrome, let's take a look. And here you can see that this is window is open. Okay, so always on the top, fully styled, never blocked. Okay, so these are the difference between the window.open and the document picture in picture. So if you have any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. What I have done, let's take a look. I haven't reviewed the code one. So document.open, it's very simple. That window.open, and on the click of the button, okay, you have to load the URL. Okay, so here window.open pop-up window, you have to define the width and the height, then you have to write something in the HTML, so you can write over there. Okay, so this is that HTML part, document.write. You can write it. Now open.pip floating window. So first of all we have to check that the it is supported by the browser or the not. Okay, so document picture in window, and if the document picture request window, we have to set the height and the width, and then we have to set the style also. We can do the inner HTML part, so document.border inner HTML. Okay, so whatever you want to add you can add, that's it. Okay, so this is the window.open and the PIP. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.